I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. I still have today with Mom. So tomorrow's going to be higher, but let's just do it. Sometimes you just need to know the data, even though you're not going to be happy with it, right? So let's see what we got. All right. Oh my goodness, hang on. Hold up. I done broke it. Let's try this again. All right, there we go. That's, at least we know what we're working with. And yeah, we came from, I think I was about 168 before they came. So I'm up about 12 pounds. So anyway, all right, we still got today to get through. And then tomorrow we get back on the wagon. Hello, I'm eating breakfast at Mom's house. So, what do I have? I have grapes. I didn't have them. Y'all know I don't like stuff on my fingers, but hold on just a second. Okay, so I got grapes, and then this sandwich. It is some ham and some, I think, mozzarella cheese and some mayo. This is going to be a hot mess. Alright. Gotta hold it over the plate.
You better believe it.
Well, I got to hold it over the plate. It's messy, but It's a cinnamon roll. Teresa Chadwell, thank you so much for the coffees. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put that in my little album of gratitude when I get home. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love coffee. So thank you so much for buying me my 5 coffees. Okay, I'm having, it's like a pulled pork taco bowl. So it's pulled pork and some lettuce, or some tomatoes and cheese and salsa, and that's ranch, some green beans, and some cranberry jello, cranberry casserole, whatever that stuff is. Okay, bye. All right, so let's talk about, I was sent home some food. That's my, and I'm going to use, that is my noodleless lasagna, okay? I still have about that same amount in the container, and I will eat that this week. I'm not worried about that because there's no noodles in it. So that'll be pretty carnivore friendly because it just has a little sauce in it. This is absolutely not carnivore friendly. It is 2 cinnamon rolls and a biscuit and some, look at that face, and a brownie. And this is not carnivore friendly or meat heavy friendly at all. This is that cranberry salad. And you know I brought them home. Now hang on. Is it good stuff? Not at all. But is it stuff I've been eating this week? Absolutely. So I'm home. It's like, I think it's like almost 4 o'clock. And I'm going to eat this. This is going to be the last of my stuff that I'm going to eat of this stuff. Other than, like I said, I will have some noodleless lasagna. And I do have some ham. What we opted to do for the ham, instead of putting the glaze on it, we cooked the ham and then we served the glaze in a separate little dish. So this is all that I brought home. The only thing, like I said, the only thing left is some glazeless ham and some noodleless lasagna. Then it's all my food. So that's why I'm just like, I'm going to eat it all now, get it over with. And then starting tomorrow, we get back to the same old, same old. How y'all doing? Hope you all had a good Christmas and a good time. I'm curious. It's funny, I feel I know I told y'all this already, but it's funny. Not ha, 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 but funny. Huh. First off, I'm hot. Hang on just a second. Now, I'm home and it's nice. It's nice to be back home. It's always so fun to spend time with the family, but it's always like, okay, some Terri time, So, had a great visit with the family. It was fun seeing everybody, talking to everybody, and visiting with everybody. like I said, I'm glad to be home. Missy, my sister, is staying in town. Excuse me. So she's staying in town. So Thursday, New Year's Day, here's a heads up, she's coming to my house. And we are going to paint my kitchen. I have not liked this color ever since I got on there. It was supposed to have been gray, but as soon as it got on my walls, it was purple. Y'all know I hate it. And so we're going to paint the same color I did my living room, my bedroom, and my spare room. So the only thing left, so we'll have time to paint that one Thursday. Who knows how far we'll get. And if we don't finish it, she'll come back another day and we'll do some more. And then we're going to possibly, it's enough paint that I could do my kitchen and then at some point do my bathroom. So that's good. Oh, dang, I'm supposed to look at my paint supplies. I have an alarm that's going to go off later and tell me to look at my paint supplies. See if I have everything I need. That was hot. So yeah, Thursday we're going to paint my house. I've got to call daycare and see if they're open as regular daycare or not. Hang on just a second. Yay! I called daycare and they said it's okay. So yeah, I'll take them Thursday morning. And me and Missy will paint. We'll see how far we get and what we get done. And then, yeah. And then whatever we don't get done, she's here for a month or so. So we can do more on another day. I don't know much else to tell y'all. It was fun. Had a good family time. My family job is to play interference between my sister and my mama. They're both very take charge kind of gals. Mom feels guilty that my sister cooks at my mom's house, but Mom can't do all the cooking for all the people. But when my sister's in there, it's because Mom feels guilty, she comes in and tries to take over. And so, and messes up my sister with what she has planned. So, I run interference. And usually after all the family's gone, we have a little therapy session between the three of us about how things could do better next year or whatever. Anyway, so it's really only during that time. It's just whenever my sister's trying to get feed, you know. Let's see, there are 5 adults and 6 kids. So 11 people. So my sister's focused on trying to get everybody fed, you know. And Mom's not used to that amount of food. So my sister's good at getting it planned. She's, used to cooking for 2 boys and a husband. So she knows how much it takes to get that food. But anyway, so that's what I know. So, all right, well, this is going to be a short video. I love y'all, and tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow morning, we'll do our official check-in. We peaked today, but we'll check tomorrow. Bye.